So this is the original VacUpack. This is what started the whole thing so many years ago, it's hard to imagine. But the VacUpack is a nozzle style system. And unlike the channel style system, the nozzle style systems give you much more control. They give you much more versatility in what and how you can vacuum pack and what you can seal. So the VacUpack has been my favorite machine for 25 years. There's a knob over on this upper left-hand deck that controls which port you're going to pull the air out of, either the bag port or the jar port. So both of these are just make sure it's pointing at what you're doing. If you're vacuum packing jars, turn it to jars. If you're vacuum packing bags, turn it to bags. It has a fully featured machine, so it has a razor blade on the top of it and a bag roll storage compartment in it. So the bags actually sit right inside the machine, and you can roll out as much of the bag material as you think you need or want for whatever you happen to be doing. There are two switches basically that makes this machine function. There's a pump switch, which actually starts the pump right here. So if you push on that button, the pump will start. And in the back, there's another switch which allows you to start the heat seal bar. So on this machine, a little bit of pressure runs the pump and a lot of pressure runs the heat seal bar. So when you want to make a bag, run the heat seal bar and slide the razor blade across at the same time. That will seal the bottom edge of your new bag and cut it off from the main roll all in one operation. So it's one of the easier machines to cut and shape bag material. Tuck the excess out of the way and find something that you want to vacuum pack. We've been getting a lot of exercise out of these poor little those M&Ms, I guess is what you call those. So now, the thing that differs in the VacUpack is that this machine does not put a lot of pressure in between the bumper and the heat seal bar until you ask it to. So it's a very high production machine, and because it is a manual operation, you tell it how much to suck and when to seal. Now you also have to figure out how to get the bag up onto the nozzle. I hold on to the bottom surface of the bag material, sort of slice it into place. One surface goes under it, one surface goes over it, and you want to make sure it can lay flat across the heat seal bar. Now all that's required is to clamp the lever in, press down very lightly on the pump, and that will start to evacuate the bag. Once the bag gets vacuum packed, the indicator will travel from red to green, and a little bit more pressure melts that bag shut. So it's a very quick and easy to operate machine. It does an excellent job of vacuum packing, and it's been around for a long time.